Hey, what's good, good people? It's your girl KB. You know what I do, and you know why I do it. I got a lot to say today, I guess. Now, this time I did tune in to talk about the weather. It's windy, super windy. It's rainy, and in my drive-in, I see a lot of down trees. I just drove past a police car that a huge tree had fallen onto some parked cars, and the police were had their lights flashing to show the road hazard. And I just drove past a little sapling-sized tree that had broken off and fallen, and it made me think, yeah, I do that from time to time. It's dangerous, huh? Me thinking. It made me think about, how trees fall, how we look to trees to be, these huge monuments to life, and they break and fall. We look for them to be strong. We look to them for shelter. We look to them to just be, again, a monument to life, staid and static. And sometimes the slightest wind or the right amount of wind topples them. Amen. Think about your roots. What are you rooted in? What's holding you firm and fast?